2000 Pontiac Firebird here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actually a Texas vehicle all its life before coming to us. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 122,920 on the odometer at the moment. Now I do want to point out some of the paint on here. It has obviously sat out in the sun some, so we have some clear coming off. There's some spots, paint's in a little bit of rough shape. 3.8 liter V6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. If you're looking for a cheap sports car, have a little bit of fun with, drive it the way it is, or take it to the next level, here you go. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome 5-spoke wheels. Radial tires, those are actually date-coded 2020. And have plenty of tread left on them. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Paint's not bad up and down the passenger or driver's side. A few little spots here and there when you start to get up on the top. And you can see it delaminated, some of that clear coming off. It is a T-top car. A few spots on the roof line. And in the still pictures, you'll be able to see it with the tops on, tops off. We'll have it both ways. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. As we come around to the rear of the car. Few notes from the technician on this one. The brakes are 60% in the front. The rears will need some attention in the future. Passenger side window was in-op at either switch. Also passenger headlight door sounds like it was in-op. We'll try that out when we start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And over in the driver's window seal, it's loose, and I'll show you that in just a bit. If you like these Firebirds, Trans Ams, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Here's that driver's window trim piece that's loose right there. Getting the paint up on the top. A couple spots on the top of that rear quarter. Let's take a look at this interior. So bucket seats, dark charcoal cloth. Of course, power windows, power locks. We do have a power seat over here on the driver's side. Get a good idea how the seat conditions are. Aftermarket Panasonic stereo. Tilt column cruise control. I think we should fire it up. I'll show you those exact miles. Popping up here, 122,963. I think I said minus at 920. So 122,963. Fire it up. And no service engine soon. Check engines, lights, anything like that. Just that security light. Stereo system does power up. I have not played around with it as far as reception, anything like that. Does power up. Well, here we are. Let's check it out. So there's FM. Looks like the stereo is working. Yes. I'll find a station will come in here.
We also offer
is the stereo working?
Programs for pregnant women.
Dash kind of reflects the fact it may have been out in the sun a little bit also. Let's see, headlight doors, talk about that. Nope, both headlight doors operable. So headlight doors are working. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nothing too crazy, of course, for that 3.8 liter. All right, let me slip up here to the front. I want to pop this hood open. Let's get this hood open so we can take a peek at that engine bay. And then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And the power plant. Pretty tried and true engine from GM, no doubt about that. Very popular for its time. 3.8 liter. Economical and reliable. There's a battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. It's a 2000 Pontiac Firebird. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2000 Pontiac Firebird. This car is an automatic right here on the center console. If there are any lights flickering on our dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. The dash looks good, lighting up that iconic red Pontiac. Because we do have our lights on today. There's a little bit of fog in the air, believe it or not. It is winter in Minnesota, and we do wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. We have a Panasonic stereo in the dash. What more fitting song for a Pontiac? The blower motor works. All our gauges are working. The temperature is 195. The oil pressure is 65. The battery's charging over 14 volts, and we have 3/4 of a tank of fuel. That's all looking great. Tach and speedometer also working. I have a power driver's seat. I have glass T-tops over my head. Just push the cruise control and that is functioning as it should. Black or charcoal, if you will, interior against that red exterior. Comfortable cloth bucket seats. Brakes are nice and smooth. A responsive throttle. And corners like any other Firebird. Nice and flat performance car from Pontiac. Accelerates good for the V6. Check out all the pictures of this 2000 Firebird at UniqueClassicCars.com.